Hello? Hello? Somebody in there?
In here.
Check this shit out. What a ass he is.
Yo, Carl. What up, kid?
Hey, what's happening? Oh, is this undercover training? Oh, no, you must be off duty.
Yeah, whatever. Hush up, man. Mr. Truth here is going to be supplying you with some of the finest. We and you are going to deliver it for us.
Hey, man, you losing. You hallucinating and shit.
What? Oh. Yo, Truth, come here, man. Welcome, friend.
What's up?
Carl here is going to be paying you your money.
What you talking about?
Now, Carl, I got a real do-gooder fucking with me, and I want you to take this evil green poison and drop it on. It's gonna ruin that asshole's career.
Oh, bullshit.
Dude, you want mushrooms, blues? How about some DMT?
No, not for me, man. I got a jet.
Ooh, shit.
Yo, Carl, pay the man.
Whoa, man. I never thought I'd see that. A Fed out smoking his hunt. What are you, dude? FBI? DEA?
Nah, I'm more like a private investigator.
Friend, you give off a positive energy. How about some Vietnamese opium?
Nah, I don't get in with that.
But how do I know I can trust you then?
What, I'm working for you now?
I'm a man of peace. But some squares across that ridge are not respecting my peace. I mean, survivalist maniacs, right-wingers, fascists. They have a harvester and I need one. Get it, and you can pay me. Namaste, Carl.
The fuck that means? Later, freak. Girl. Stop that thing for me.
Love that record.
It's always good for.
Here's some Bowie coming up next, proving you can still wear makeup and make it in life.
What did you expect? Blame me, blame society.
brought peace back to my valley. Thank you, friend. I'll call you when the whoop-de-doo is ready. Just make sure you get that cash.
Hey,
Carl, it's Caesar.
what's up?
Bad thinking shit, that's what's up, Holmes.
What's wrong? Where's Kendall? Is she okay?
She's with me, she's okay for now. The bodies of Aztecas, it's all over. There's a price on my head. Maybe Kendall's too.
What happened?
Trust, respect, honor, they don't mean jack in Los Santos now. My OGs, my S's, all dead or in hiding, E.
Get out of town. Head over to Angel Pine, rent you and Kendall a trailer, and I'll meet you there.
Okay, I just got some shit to take care of, and
No, just get my sister out of town someplace safe. Don't shit with me on this one. I can't lose her, man.
sure thing, Holmes. We'll see you in Angel Pine.